Hello everyone, this is how we make achar, the Guyanese style. So first of all, we have to peel the mangoes. The mango that you select should be very green. Very unripe mango should be used. If there is any sign that the mango is starting to ripen, you should not use that type of mango. That is our recommendation. So first we have to ensure that the mangoes are peeled, and after we finish peeling the mango, we would grate them. So here we are grating the mangoes. Still grating. Alright, so here we have the mangoes. They are now fully grated. They're grated into small pieces. And we are going to remove the excess juice from the mango. To do this, you can simply take a cloth and remove and squeeze as much as possible to remove the excess juice or excess liquid that is inside of the mango. So we're still removing the excess liquid that is in the mango. Of course, different persons will use different methods to remove the moisture. There are different ways in which people would also grind the mango. So after we remove the moisture, we put the mango in the sun to dry. We left our mango for 2 days. And after leaving it for 2 days, this is how the mango would look like. And we are ready to move on to the next stage of making our achar. So to make our achar, we need the following. We need garlic, we need salt, we need pepper, and we need mustard oil, as well as Achar Masalla. So we're going to start to mix them all together. First, we're going to add salt. For this amount of mango, we would add about 2 to 3 spoons of salt, and we would mix it thoroughly. You basically have to eyeball the amount of different ingredients that you're adding. It depends on the desired taste that you want. But the salt is also very important as a preservative to allow the achar to remain for a long period of time. And we're going to add pepper. Again, you have to eyeball the amount of pepper. You don't want to add too much nor too less. So for this amount, 2 to 3 spoons of pepper will be sufficient. Or we can even add up to 4 spoons. Have to thoroughly mix them all together. And we add our garlic. Some persons again like a lot of garlic, some persons would not like a lot of garlic, so it depends on the individual who is making it. You can check our description at the bottom for more details as to how much of all ingredients that we added. And now we're adding the achar masala. No, not too much. You want to add as much until the mixture becomes blackish in color. So we are mixing it all together here, making our mango achar. It's looking good. So it's almost completely mixed. At least for us, we don't like to add too much of the achar masala. Some persons would prefer to put a little more. So one of the main things that is needed to complete this process is the mustard oil. So you should heat the mustard oil, or rather you should bring it to a boil, and then you take it and add it onto the achar. So that is exactly what we're going to do here. We're adding the mustard oil to the achar. Oh yes, this looks wonderful. And we mix. You have to put a reasonable amount of mustard oil. And now we're almost finished. So here's our achar. Here's a bottle of achar that we made.